Alright, so here we have the Rheem 27 unboxing. Let's see what's inside the box. The camera from the camera, that's not working. Alright folks, there you have it. That's the Rheem 27. Alright, so water heater was broken, leaked out, and that was the connection. The electrical came out of that little box right there. I took that all out, and now this is the water coming in, and then the hot water going out back to the house. So now I'm gonna have to cut those off, remove those altogether, extend this, come on down, and reroute everything for the new tankless water heater. Alright, when we get back to that, I'll show you guys again. Alright, so just an update here. We got all the plumbing work done, and we got our water arrestor, water hammer arrestor, filter into the water heater. We got our washout valves right there to wash the eating elements. And then we got a lock off valves, and also our expansion valve right there. That's something that I don't see a lot of people when they install these water heater. They don't put that in. It's a little bit more to get those valves and get all that set up, but that's necessary right there. So we're gonna do some drywall now, and then get the electrical going, and we'll let you know when she's fired up. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I'm back here with the finished product. Still have a few minor cosmetic things to do with the drywall, sanded up and painted and all that, but we got hot water. And the main thing, we got hot water. Everything is all connected. We got our relief valve. A lot of people don't put the relief valve on these electric water heaters or tankless, but they sell this kit specially for tankless water heater with the relief valve, and it's still a good idea to have it on there, because if it expands, you know, pressure builds up, you can always release the pressure out there. And I did install here a water hammer arrestor, and this is where I came out with the cold water and hot water going back in, and got the filter, and I did the electrical, went inside there. Thing is all plumbed up, and over here I had to make some room for 340 amps breaker and running some number 8 wires all around there. So yeah, there you have it. Rheem RTX 27 hot water heater.